Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can make a cover on AI. So first of all you have to go to this site X-Pro. I will be putting the link in description box so you can access it free. Now you have to go to this site and wait for it to check secure connection. After that this site opens. Now you have this option, you can find any song over here or you can click vocal remover above that I'm showing in green. You have to click this option. Now the process is very easy, you just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video so you understand every step and don't miss out on any step. Let's get started without wasting any time. So now you can see if I click this option, it lands me on this site where I have to select or drop a file of my song that I want to remove vocals from. I will be selecting any from my gallery and come back. Now you can see that it is uploading my file to the landed site. Once it is done with uploading, I will come back. It may take a while. Now you can see that my song is uploaded and it is divided into two parts. One is vocal and one is instrumental. I'm going to download these both and then I'm going to edit it. I will be back after I download both of these. You can simply click the option of the instrumental and vocal to download them. Now I will be converting these into WAV file and my song will be ready. So I am going to use Audacity for that, and you can use any audio editor that you want or like. Here in Audacity you have to go to file and import the audio that you just created. I will be importing the audio that I just created and then I will work on it. Now you can see that I have imported the audios that I just created on that software. Now I'm going to export it as a WAV file and then my song will be ready to play. Here you can see that I click the file option again and then I go to export and click the second option, that is export as WAV file. Now I will export it as a WAV file and my song will be ready. This is how you can make cover on AI. I hope this was an easy process and you understood it. And if you liked this process and understood it well, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.